Fidel, Tigrinya Alphabet. In chapters 5 and 6, we worked out the letters
G, N, N, Y, T, Ch, K, K.
We have reached the halfway point of our training course. In this lesson, 7, we will study the Re group. This group consists of 2 letters, Re and Fe. Let us see how we put the marks.
Re, Ru, Ri, Ra, Re, Re, Ro, Fe, Fu, Fi, Fa, Fie, F, Fo.
Please note the difference between Fu and Fa. We add a declined line to Fu, but a straight vertical line to Fa.
Re, Ru, Ri, Ra, Re, Re, Ro, Fe, Fu, Fi, Fa, Fie, F, Fo.
Sewasu grammar. The letter N as conjunction. In Tigrinya, the letter N can be used as a conjunction or a preposition. The conjunction and appears twice in Tigrinya sentences or words, once at the end of the first word and once at the end of the second word. Here are some sentences in which the letter N is used as the conjunction and.
Seb'ayin, sebeitin.
Man and woman,
Anen, nisukhin.
I and you.
Follow the channel. Collect the lessons. That way you won't miss any.